These QuliMetal Flavorizer bars use food-grade 304 stainless steel, so they resist rust, warping, and chipping far better than the thin porcelain pieces that often come stock on older Weber grills. They are sized precisely for many classic Weber Spirit 300 series and Genesis B and C models, so they drop into place without fuss and restore even coverage over the burners. With a full set of 5 bars spanning the firebox, they shield the burners from grease drips and flare-ups, while still allowing drippings to vaporize back into the food for better grilled flavor. Heat is distributed more evenly across the cooking surface, which helps eliminate hot and cold spots and makes it easier to get consistent sear marks on steaks, burgers, and vegetables. The smooth stainless steel surface cleans up easily with warm soapy water or a grill brush, so routine maintenance is quick and does not require harsh scraping. Overall, these replacement bars feel solid, fit like original equipment on compatible Weber models, and are a worthwhile upgrade if you want to extend the life and performance of an older gas grill.